Now, next is Notion. Now you already have a great idea, landing page, MVP, everything ready, bro. What else do we need? See, if you have a team or a plan of what to doing next, you need Notion. So that is what we'll be checking out next. You must have heard about it, but I'm going to be showing a little bit more in depth because this is pretty useful if you're working alone or even have a team. You would want AI to have access to your stuff and like plan stuff, it will be much more faster. So let's checking out. Like you're probably juggling a lot of stuff. So yeah, let me just show it to you quickly. So we actually in YouTube and Instagram, we use Notion. For example, this is how Notion looks like. It's kind of like your notes app on steroids. So this is how the Notion website looks like. So you can see your perfect notes every time, one search for everything. It's fully AI powered. That's what I like about this, right? So for example, roadmap and all, you can see planning, building. People actually use it for this. So I'm not just coming and saying blah, 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 use it. No. So this is one of the things that we made. I'll be showing you how to do this too. So you can see your latest AI updates, Google event. So here you can see like our script. We have put it here, right? So because we are a team of few people and we don't want to screw stuff up. So whatever VFX we do, it is also here cut off. Whatever publishing checklist. So in a checklist like publishing, did I promote it on social media, text, video editing, thumbnail, is everything is done. So everything, like there is a section for green screen on my YouTube videos. So is those done? After that, my editors can all just check it. So it's like it's already done, right? So here the description, the title, even my thumbnail is here. So because all my editors and everyone has access to this, they can just come and it is like a collaborative work. So you can see here, you can create a new page here for new stuff and all. Right now my subscription is over. You can create this from scratch, but like it's not pretty good template. So what I do personally is just search on Google. Yes, the good old Google. Imagine I want exam, right? Exam time, I want a productivity. So what I do is that exam study schedule template Notion. Don't mind my spellings, it's really bad. I know. So here you can see that there is a lot of options, right? Study agenda, this, that, do it yourself. So I actually love this. I'm a big fan of purple, pink and all. So let's just do get template. You can see here view template also. You can read about this. So Notion has their own website. So here you can read it. And mostly there are a lot of these YouTubers. I don't do it, but like there's a lot of these YouTubers that give you these clocks, give you these assignments, everything that you need to do. So it's much more organized. Okay. So that is an awesome thing about Notion. Now there's a lot more other stuff which you can do, but you should check it out on its own. Like there are AI features too. Now they are paid, most of it, I'm not gonna lie, but yeah, for description we can just do this. You can explain it, you can ask AI about this, and yes, there is other stuff, right? For example, here making title bigger, right? I love the emojis that they give. So you can just click here. These are like our normal emojis, but then there are these fun icons. I really love them because they go with the background and stuff like that. Anyway, that's pretty much it for Notion. I hope you have a good workspace now. Hope you can manage your stuff much better now with AI. And yeah, even this works on the same principle of LLM. But yes, images, videos, how they can be created, music and all that, I'm coming to that too. Prompt engineering and all that, we will be doing that soon. So I'm just going through some tools to help you just get started. That's it for this episode. My name is Raul. You're watching Nothing. Bye. Not nothing, you are watching RaulTheRockstar. Anyway, literally I use so much Notion. Even Josh here does, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Literally all my events are on Notion. Only then I could keep that all in my mind. Anyway, so hopefully even if you're a student, even if you're a content creator, even if you are a business owner, Notion should be helpful for you. Anyway, that's it from my side. Now if you have any feedbacks, you guys know what to do. #time. And join the classes every day. Join the community so you get notification. The link is in the description. Our exclusive Thinkcraft community. Anyway, guys, I'm also live with you guys on Leap platform. You can join that as well. Check out Leap. It's one of my friends as well. Anyway, now you know what to do. At the end of the day, the person who is supporting us the most is you guys and also Oxygen. So if you guys want the best appliances and the best phones out there from the best people out there, check out Oxygen from this promo code for the best prices out there. That's it from my side. You are watching RaulTheRockstar, not nothing. That's it. Bye bye.